The digital world is changing fast. Businesses need to adapt to survive. ONPASSIVE is here to help. As a tech company, ONPASSIVE offers innovative business solutions powered by artificial intelligence, or AI. These solutions are designed to make life easier for entrepreneurs, providing automated and smart tools for digital marketing. ONPASSIVE is truly a game changer, leveling the playing field where small businesses can now compete with big companies. They have access to the same powerful tools. This is the ONPASSIVE advantage, about empowering everyone, about building a better future for business. But before we get started, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out a lot. Also, don't forget to like and comment below. It all helps. Thanks. O-MEDIA represents a new dawn in digital marketing. As a platform by ONPASSIVE, O-MEDIA focuses on providing a suite of tools, all powered by AI. These tools automate essential marketing tasks, making them accessible to businesses of all sizes. O-MEDIA helps businesses grow through effective marketing, offering tools for content creation, social media management, and even video marketing. It's not just easy to use, but also intuitive and user-friendly, providing valuable insights to help businesses make better decisions. O-MEDIA is a comprehensive solution for all your digital marketing needs. The year 2024 was a big year for O-MEDIA, marking a period of unprecedented strides. It launched several new tools that are both innovative and powerful, addressing real business needs. One major release was O-Trim, a video editing tool that uses AI to automatically edit videos, saving time and effort and enabling businesses to create professional videos easily. Another breakthrough was in content creation. O-MEDIA now uses AI to generate high-quality content that is engaging and relevant, helping businesses attract more customers. AI is the heart of O-MEDIA, powering all the tools and making them smart and efficient. It analyzes data and learns from patterns, allowing it to provide the best results. AI personalizes the user experience by tailoring content to specific audiences, ensuring maximum engagement. Constantly evolving, AI is getting smarter with each interaction. This means O-MEDIA is always improving, always one step ahead. AI is the future of digital marketing, and O-MEDIA is leveraging it to the fullest. The results are undeniable. Video marketing is essential. It's engaging and effective. But video editing can be tough. It requires time, skills, and money. O-Trim changes that. O-Trim is a revolutionary tool. It makes video editing a breeze. It uses AI to edit videos automatically. Just upload your footage. Let O-Trim do the rest. O-Trim can cut, trim, and enhance videos. It can add music and transitions. It can even create subtitles automatically. O-Trim makes professional video editing accessible. Everyone can create stunning videos now. O-MEDIA is making a difference. In today's fast-paced business world, companies are constantly seeking innovative solutions to stay ahead of the competition. O-MEDIA has emerged as a game changer, providing businesses with the tools they need to thrive in the digital age. Businesses are seeing the results. From increased online visibility to higher sales figures, the impact of O-MEDIA's technology is evident. Companies that have integrated O-MEDIA into their operations are experiencing unprecedented growth and success. They are experiencing growth like never before. The innovative solutions offered by O-MEDIA are helping businesses streamline their processes, improve efficiency, and ultimately boost their bottom line. This growth is not just limited to large corporations. Small and medium-sized enterprises are also reaping the benefits. O-MEDIA transformed my business, says Sarah Jones, a small business owner. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of O-MEDIA's technology. Before adopting O-MEDIA, Sarah struggled to maintain a strong online presence and attract new customers. However, with the help of O-MEDIA, she was able to revamp her digital strategy and see significant improvements. My online presence is stronger. My sales have increased. Sarah's business saw a remarkable increase in online traffic, leading to higher sales and greater customer engagement. The tools provided by O-MEDIA allowed her to reach a wider audience and effectively market her products. John Smith, a marketing manager, agrees. O-Media's AI is amazing. John highlights the advanced artificial intelligence capabilities of O-Media, which have revolutionized the way he approaches marketing. The AI-driven insights and analytics have enabled him to make data-driven decisions and optimize his marketing campaigns. It saves me so much time. The efficiency brought by O-Media's technology cannot be overstated. By automating routine tasks and providing actionable insights, O-Media allows business professionals like John to focus on more strategic initiatives. I can focus on other important tasks. With the time saved, John can now dedicate more resources to creative and high-impact projects, further driving the success of his marketing efforts. These testimonials are not unique. Across various industries, businesses are sharing similar success stories. The positive impact of O-Media is being felt far and wide, with countless companies benefiting from its innovative solutions. Thousands of businesses are sharing similar stories. From retail to healthcare, education to finance, O-Media's technology is making a significant difference. The versatility and adaptability of O-Media's tools make them suitable for a wide range of applications. They are praising O-Media's effectiveness. The feedback from users has been overwhelmingly positive, with many praising the effectiveness and ease of use of O-Media's solutions. Businesses are excited about the potential to further leverage this technology to achieve even greater success. They are excited about its potential. The future looks bright for businesses that choose to partner with O-Media. As technology continues to evolve, O-Media remains at the forefront, constantly innovating and improving its offerings to meet the changing needs of the business world. O-Media is not just a tool, it's a partner in success. By providing businesses with the resources they need to succeed, O-Media is helping to shape the future of business. The success stories of its users are a testament to the transformative power of its technology. It's a partner in success. As more businesses continue to adopt O-Media, the ripple effect of its impact will be felt across the global economy. The testimonials from the trenches are just the beginning of a larger narrative of growth, innovation, and success. ONPASSIVE has big plans for the future. It aims to revolutionize the digital world. It wants to empower businesses everywhere. O-Media is central to this vision. ONPASSIVE is constantly innovating. It's developing new features for O-Media. These features will be even more powerful. They will be driven by the latest AI technology. ONPASSIVE envisions a future. In this future, all businesses thrive. They have access to the best tools. O-Media will play a key role in making this vision a reality. Industry experts are taking notice. They recognize O-Media's potential. They believe it is a game changer. ONPASSIVE is at the forefront of AI innovation, says tech analyst Jane Doe. O-Media is a testament to their commitment to excellence. Marketing guru David Lee adds, O-Media is a must-have for any business. Its AI-powered tools are unmatched. These endorsements confirm ONPASSIVE's position. It is a leader in the tech industry. O-Media is set to dominate the digital marketing landscape. The future is bright for ONPASSIVE and its users. ONPASSIVE is more than a company, it's a movement. It's a community of entrepreneurs. They believe in the power of technology. They are passionate about success. ONPASSIVE welcomes everyone. It offers a chance to be part of something big. Join ONPASSIVE. Be a part of the digital revolution. Embrace the future of business. ONPASSIVE provides the tools. You bring the passion. Together we can achieve anything. ONPASSIVE O-Media is a game changer. It's redefining digital marketing. Its AI-powered tools are transforming businesses. O-Media makes marketing easier. It makes it more efficient and effective. It empowers businesses of all sizes. It levels the playing field. It gives everyone a chance to succeed. ONPASSIVE O-Media is here to stay. It's the future of digital marketing. Join the movement. Embrace the power of AI. Let O-Media take your business to the next level. The future is now. Seize it with ONPASSIVE. For more information about ONPASSIVE and how to join, please go to the description below. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.